Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, and this morning we are doing a combustion test on this furnace. This is a 75,000 BTU furnace, and we go test our combustion and see if we get in our combustion is correct on this. We also have the printer, and we are using the bacarach combustion analyzer. So we're gonna go ahead because we want to see what happened on startup. We want to start printing using this printer on startup. So we're gonna go ahead and do a combustion test. So we're gonna start that furnace up right now. So this is our printer, and when we get in ready to print, we have to make sure that our printer is lined up right here, and then you press the F1 key to start printing. So there's a lot of things that you could do here. You could go through the menus and select your oil or select your gas, what gas you're using. As you can tell right now, we are using natural gas. So our system is just in a little bit delayed. So I'm just going to actually explain some of the stuff before we get ready to start up the unit. So the unit should be starting any minute, and then we should see our stack pressure. This is why we have this here. This is our stack pressure. So we'll see what our temperature goes up to, and that will tell us everything. So just to explain some stuff about the bacarach, you want between, on your O2, we want between 6 to 9. And there we go. So I'll explain a little bit more for you as we go ahead. What you will see is your CO part per million should rise up and then should be steady. So once we see it rise up, it's gonna rise up, and when it becomes steady, then we're gonna start to do our print. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure this is turned on, and we see our CO is at, okay, we want to start printing this right now. So we start printing. See how far we drop down. Okay, we give it like 2-3 minutes, and then we're gonna start printing again because we want to get how that system is running. Okay. We know our T-stack is at 267. Normally we like to see that around is a 305 to 405 based on manufacturer guidelines. So we're really close. So right now we are 10 parts per million. So this furnace is actually doing pretty good because we know our O2 supposed to be 6 to 9. We're running at 7 to 8. And then we're going to set another print. We're going to print here again. So every couple of minutes we want to know exactly what that system is doing first. So we're going to just let it steady for another 2 minutes. And as we could also scroll down here and go down, and we see our T-stack is at 317. Our CO2 7.7, and efficiency, don't worry, that's just the efficiency of the fire. It's not really telling you the efficiency of your unit. Your excess F46%. So you could scroll back up. Let me see what we're looking for the top. So we're doing pretty good, 6 parts per million. T-stack is 342. Really, really good. So with anything under 100, we always want our combustion to be under 100 parts per million, that is. So we'll print again, and F1 on this backpack, you use F1 to print. All right. So we're actually doing really, really good on this unit. Our O2, we need 69, we have 6.6, pretty good. Our CO is 9 parts per million. That's like we're on way under 100, 9 parts per million. Our T-stack is 368. That's it, we want like 305 to 405. Our A is 63%. Our XSA is 40.5. So we're doing pretty good. Alright guys, so thank you again for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, you could leave and tell me what are the videos you think I should do. And I hope you enjoy the bacarach. It's one of the best combustion analyzer on the market. So we're using this to do our combustion test. We're gonna do a last sprint and I will be out here. So take care guys. You enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.